Smile, Jaden. Smile, Kyrie. Smile.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Squad, Wagwan. We are at the last day in 2025. Hooray! Put it out here.
Yeah,
Show to them.
Yeah, I mean, man.
Of course.
Big up for yourself, guys.
Going to the picture. We're going to picture.
We're going to take a picture.
Photo studio. Car can prep on everything.
So we're actually going to a photo studio, Kyrie.
Again?
Again. So remember, I was telling you guys that I was planning a family photo shoot along with the maternity photo shoot. So the same place who was gonna do the maternity photo shoot was gonna do the family photo shoot. Well, the maternity photo shoot turned out to be only a family photo shoot, so that was scrapped because baby girl come early, and now we have her to go in our family photo shoot. Hooray! So we're actually taking a family photo. We're actually doing a family photo shoot today. We're doing it partially Christmas theme, partially just, you know, just having us just representing as a family. Matter falling down. Baby girl right here, so asleep. She looks so beautiful. Kyrie there. Jaden. Adrian. Us five. That does sound so. It sounds like an accomplishment.
Yeah.
Us five.
Yeah, man.
Us five sounds like an accomplishment. Okay. Our family looks just about complete, right, Adrian?
Yeah, man.
Unless Adrian want to have a good sperm day again, I don't know. But we ain't planning on that day again, right, Adrian? This one took us out. But we are so happy today, and we are going to be documenting basically our family in time, right?
Yeah.
In this time, this day in 2025, the last day of 2025, and I absolutely love making memories. So I was telling everybody a little while ago that today, though we were running around frantic in the house, yes, we were running around frantic in the house trying to get out, but this is not just an average day. This is a day when we go and we make memory as a family. This is the day when we go and we take these photos.
Mom, I think I found a good memory.
A good memory?
Remember that time I go over Dion and I tripped my leg and Mommy healed it?
Okay. So the healing part is a good memory. Okay. Alright, baby. So we are actually making memories, and we are going to look back on these photos a couple years from now, and we're going to be like, wow, this is what we look like. This is our family time stamped, you know, this day. And those are things that I live for. I love memories. I love photo memories, video memories. So yeah, guys, we are about to carry you guys on this journey where we are about to make memories as a family again. So thank you guys for joining us. And yeah, what else you have to say, Daddy?
Well, guys, all the best for the year 2026.
Wait, make Jaden hold it for you. Jaden hold it for Daddy. And video him. Make sure you see a video him, go there.
Yeah, guys, so all the best for 2026. Alright. This is a new beginning for all of us. Right? You're gonna be getting this video at the turn of the new year or afterwards, right? But I wanted to nonetheless give you guys, you know, our blessings for 2026, you know, on behalf of the Delpratt family. You know, hope for you guys to accomplish all your goals, all your dreams, all your endeavors. I hope you know, achieve whole heap of real estate. I hope you know, achieve the multiple real estate that you guys always wanted. I want to open streamline the real estate portfolio. You get me? I say sell those assets that.
Did they do pack water?
If I pack water, only for baby, we're gonna have to buy. Yeah, so you know, repackage those investments, you know, that you guys have. You know, we're there for help, you know.
Build that wealth.
Yeah, man, definitely. So what you gotta say, Jaden?
Enjoy the new year.
That's all? Yeah. What you hope to accomplish for 2026?
Straight A's and
Straight A's?
yeah.
Be truthful. Put the game goal in life. Put the game goal in life.
Game goal.
Yeah, the goal we have for your game. We love to play so much. That goal in life. That's a New Year's resolution, you know. Come on.
And what about football? What about football, Kyrie?
I hope to get better in football, get straight A's and
A game goal.
yes.
We call it football.
Alright.
Yeah,
Let's see what Kyrie has. So Kyrie, what do you want to accomplish in next year? Like, what are your goals? Or what would you like to do?
My goals are winning, but Jaden always cheats because he's too fast. And uses Sonic boot to cheat.
Alright, so that's it from our 4-year-old. Alright, so take from that as you will, okay? He wants to win. So he plans to win. And that is true. That is a resolution for Kyrie. That's a goal for Kyrie. Kyrie's goal is always to win, guys. That's for sure.
Baby, they are the pyjama them?
Yes, it's in
They
his
have
bag.
them? Okay.
Yeah, and the socks and everything. Yeah, guys, so thank you guys so much for coming through for us for 2025, being here for us, watching our videos, sharing our videos. Continue to give us a big thumbs up, like our content, share our content, and yeah, just continue to motivate each other through life, because this is all about you guys motivating us just as much as we motivate you guys. So you guys are here. They're ahead of me. Yeah, that's the set that we're going to be using. So we'll be using this set, guys, for the Christmas shoot.
There's freezes?
Christmas theme. Yeah, we'll be using this one. This is one I carry this as well.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So guess I have to titivate, guys. To titivate anyone this morning, I just still come and titivate again.
Tell him, yeah, all the females in the comment section sound off on him here. Make him know that we have to get it right.
I can't understand this thing. She spent about an hour in the house this morning after everything, and then now, yeah, I'm in our pressure. You ready? Mm-hmm.
Look at Uli. Yeah, look at him. He's gotta take 5 minutes and get ready. While us women have to do so much. So much is expected. Should I do like this?
Mm-hmm.
Or should I do like that?
Like it, like half and half. Yeah.
You like it like this?
Mm-hmm. Carry a while out.
I mean, you know why I don't put you.
Look where I've been!
Stand beside daddy. That's your position. No, don't skate. Stand
It's
beside
not a
daddy.
skating rink, this.
Stand beside daddy, okay? That's your position.
some point, you want to put it on the camera.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so just setting up baby Emmy.
Yes. So where's the other photos? You see it? Can we just stand beside daddy?
Do not go up here, so come right here.
I'm going to go fix it. Alright, this is it guys. We're getting ready.
Turn around, look at the camera, Harry. Stand up straight.
Ready, everybody?
Hold on 1 minute. Baby's not ready. I can't take another one?
Yeah, look and keep your eyes open. Move your hand, Harry.
Eyes open, look up at the
forward.
cameraman.
Fix your face there.
Guys, 3, 2, 1.
That's better.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
Alright. Your turn to gather school now, Kyrie. Yeah? Come here then.
Look at the camera.
Jay, come here.
Up at the camera. Okay.
You hear that?
Just a smile. Look at the cameraman with a smile. Yes, that's right.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Can I see it?
Can I see it?
Yes.
Hey.
But Kyrie face the south, cheers. Kyrie, you see how your face was in that picture? You're like,
So him on
you say
phone.
you just have a nice face.
Huh? Yeah, finger turn. So you can go in.
Always had a way to
Kyrie,
make it
go on,
work
Kyrie,
and
go
find another
over there and stand.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
You're supposed to see quiet all along and then you make quiet moments then
Some food guys, just do a quick pit stop with baby girl, you know? Try to get fussy, so I have to give her some formula. Yes, Kyrie?
Don't sit on that.
No. Wait to miss energy buster. No, you cannot, okay?
Unless you don't want it for like not editing or something.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
Smile, got it.
Yes, smile, Gary.
Yes, like that. Look at him now.
Fix up, fix up.
Who, me?
No, Gary.
Yes. Smile again, Kyrie.
Good job, Kyrie. Good job.
Alright. Alright, that is it.
It's tired.
Oh, the baby face looking nice.
Baby face.
Yeah.
All over the place.
Why Emiah take long to drink this too? Normally she did this, yeah.
Just support it fast now.
Exactly.
So small. Baby so small, but yeah.
Look there. And carry it. Okay.
Them smile they want, yeah.
That's good, Carrie. Perfect.
Baby face is kind of so.
Alright guys, so we're gonna do the boys only now.
Alright, Carrie, go
And he's trying to get the girl
Stand
rest,
there,
settled. Little boy, hey, 2-1. Come. Alright, Carrie, I don't think your face showing enough. So that's good that you're hugging up Jaden, but like that,
Yeah,
smile now,
good.
smile.
Put your hands around, yes.
Look at me.
Alright, arm down now, Carrie. One hand down. One hand around Jaden, yeah, like that. And look at the cameraman.
Ready. Alright.
I love that smile, Carrie. Yes. And them smile there for Av.
No, it's Jaden only.
No, it's Jaden.
So, all our cast.
You and them. Okay.
Keep us out of there. Keep us out. That's all our there. Come on.
Red smile on box. Alright.
Come, Jay. Come. Stand beside Cass. And your car is stand beside Jay. Stand right here. Come right here. Go over now. We don't want to sit down here. We don't want to sit down here.
Can I turn to me like a hard side?
Yeah. Put your back to the sun.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another
Ready now, Carrie?
Look at the cameraman.
Cheese.
Alright.
Cheese,
Alright,
Jay.
everybody now.
Cheese, Jay. Cheese.
That's it. Ready now?
Cheese.
Yeah. Alright, one more. Bright smile on Carrie.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Alright. Hold on.
Yeah. Well, let's change.
Papa says.
Yeah, go on, Jay. Yeah.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
Smile, Kyrie. Smile. Smile. That's plastic smiling now. Look back here.
Alright. Alright.
Cheese.
Yeah. Alright, yeah.
Cheese.
Yeah, kind of make she sit up some more. No, man.
The baby sit up.
Yeah, like,
Sit up.
yeah.
Look there. Smile, Kyrie. Smile, Kyrie.
Ready?
Smile, Kyrie. Put your hand.
One more.
One more.
Alright.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
They want to play full now. So like engage with each other, yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, man, you can engage with them now, you know? Yeah.
The movements now look good when it's shot in a cat, it's a blur. Don't move so the movement. Take your time.
No, blurry, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, Jay, let me get one.
Alright, so mommy and daddy know, but I'm standing her.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on, Jay. I put her in there, shoulder, in her elbow. Right now, let's start now. Still up. Good. Yes. Alright, no go on. Go on, Kyrie. Go on, Kyrie.
You right?
Look here, but no, let's not.
It's all complete. Put on my pockets.
Come over some, come over a little bit to me right here. Ready? Can I? Yeah, right there, ready? One more, keep it.
This is the set, guys.
No, your blows deep.
Sorry.
Joy, your blows out at the back, yes. Oh, that was deliberate? Yeah. Oh, okay. She talking in the back of your blows.
Yeah, thank you.
Young neighbor girl right here. Can I bought the place a while out? See me?
Thank you.
Yep. Alright. Smile.
Make sure Emmy face a show.
Look forward.
You can hold her up some more, hold her more central. Yeah, like that, yeah. Put her hand down, hold her hand so her hand not back off. Yeah.
Alright, look on smile.
Alright, Jaden, look this way now.
Ready, Kyrie? Ready?
Yeah, Jaden.
Do I engage in one before the pull up?
Alright, look at, yes, look at each other.
Yeah.
Alright, Carrie? Smile now, relax.
Look at Daddy Kyrie. Yeah, don't hide the face, Kyrie. Right there.
Always had a way to make it work.
Yeah. Kiss the baby again, Kyrie. Jay, turn around to them. Engage with them. Engage with them, Jay. Go on over there, Kyrie.
Like this?
Come over a little bit more. Right there. And you come over to it. To us. Yeah, right there. Alright. Hey.
Look at the camera, smile.
Show me the bowl.
Teeth.
The box. Yeah.
Look at the camera now. Face down a bit, face down.
here. Nice.
Go on again. Hey, look.
Alright, Carrie. Start at the camera now. Start the camera.
Alright.
Come, Carrie, at the camera. Your face up.
Lift up the move that we give Kyrie.
Yeah. Like that.
Get something going with them. So just show up.
Yeah. Baby mother pretty. So beautiful, right? Give me another chop. Mm-hmm.
Sorry, Kyrie.
What I want to do now?
What to do? I got second. I wait. Smile. You got a big pose. Smile.
Ready?
What kind of smile that? Smile nice.
Right, smile. Teeth. Give me some teeth. Yeah, nice. Alright.
Everyone love tiny. Alright. Big bro. A little sis. Yeah. Coming. I guess I'll start out Kyrie. You can change at the same time, babe.
Right smile. Yeah. Nice.
Smile. Turn over the present. Turn the present over.
Hold on the head, Carrie. Hold on the head. Turn on the head.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right.
Kyrie.
Look at the camera, Kyrie.
Look up. Look at the
Yeah.
camera. Right smile, Kyrie.
Guys. Yeah, man. So we out. Yeah. Whole team out same way, you know. Yes. Yes, there's Kyrie. They're over there, so. Alright. So, we're gonna get some lunch, you know. So, we are at the marketplace. Alright. We're not even sure which eatery we're gonna go to. Which eatery you wanna go, Jaden?
I don't know which eater there.
I want to go in the restaurant.
Mm-hmm. Where you wanna go, babe?
I know I like the Japanese food, but I got the last time. I don't want to eat Japanese. So I'm wondering when if you just sit in the courtyard section and then probably get food from different places.
Oh,
Can do that.
okay.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, you know, honestly, I know I really grew up, you know. This is my joy, you know. This is my joy, guys. Just hanging with my children, with my wife. Hey, how you doing? Afternoon. Thank you.
Happy festive season.
All right, thank you.
Take
All right, bye bye. Yes.
Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So,
Saffron, we can probably go.
saffron, eh?
Go saffron.
We got saffron so often, but no problem. Me no mind it. We don't mind it.
We can go somewhere else after the experiment.
Yeah, man. So, this is my joy, guys. Just being with family, you know? Nothing too flashy. No if a party, buckle popping and anything there, you know? This is it for me. This is it for me. Yeah.
Oh, there's so much sun out here.
Yeah, it's sunny. Japanese place probably lock off. This here, Japanese. Which other place? What's that? I've never been over there.
Chinese Express, it says, you want to go and look at their menu?
Where are that? Saffron. Chinese Express?
Yeah.
Chinese food, just Chinese food.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Saffron. Saffron it is. Alright. Can I get seated?
Alright. The water now comes out. I want to give her some breast. No, she decides to sleep when I want to put my breast in her mouth. They are so full, they can feel like they can feel it hard. And now she's peacefully asleep.
Put her upon the same way. Take her and put her upon the same way. Because guess what? It's going to take her a little while to get the food, so just put her upon it. Put her upon it. Me help her take her out. Guys, so this is, what do you call this? Is it? What do you call that something, babe?
The covering, that little covering, so you put the thing right in front of the camera. It's a covering, so like it covers me up when I'm breastfeeding in public.
Right up now.
It's so noisy.
Right from the breast.
Guys.
Put it over there, so. Lean up on the side over there, so. Come over, Carly. Make it see right there. Come over, Carly.
Mama, huevo.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Chicken in it, man. Chicken in the wonton. No. Last year.
Different type of
I know.
This one is mild, which is spicy.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah, mega just yeah. Thanks. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Spark. Wait, I'm gonna put them up back. I'm gonna put it up back. I'll put it up back. I'll put it up back. I just take a slide off. One of that.
Curry not get none of the red
Tell
one.
anybody spicy.
I think of the red one. No most I red one. Cause red means spicy. Give curry one more, the red, the yellow one.
I don't want the spicy chicken. I only want the yellow one alone.
Yes, Gary. You're getting that.
And the butter cherry chicken.
Yes. But this is yours. This is yours.
That and the green thing.
Yes.
What is the
There you
green
go.
thing?
It's just herbs.
It's
Try it.
chicken.
It's nice, Gary.
It's an ex chicken.
It's different type of chicken. Eat it, man. It's nice. Little one in there so I can't eat none yet.
Spicy!
Which one? Which one you had? Which one you got? You like it? You like it? Okay. It's a butter chicken. It's the one that Carrie can't eat. Thank you. Mutton masala and butter chicken.
Oh, alright then. I can call it back a little later then. Yeah. Let me call
Wait,
it.
Carrie. No. Wait. Hold on.
You know. This is the mutton.
Yeah, that's the masala. Mutton masala.
Taste the butter. Taste the butter. I thought you drink too much. Yeah, but the juice.